Hello and welcome to another short edition of Two Lads Garage. Today I'm just going to make this real quick. I'm going to show how to use a multimeter, such as this one, to find continuity in your wires. This is very helpful if maybe you've taken something apart and had to walk away from it and you can't remember which wire goes where, or if you're maybe trying to figure out if you have a broken wire, or many other things. But anyways, it's not hard. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate this on my 1967 Ford Galaxy. What happens, I had bad alternator, and anyway, switching between them, trying to figure out what was going on, I unhooked everything, and it's not as straightforward to just stick it back. Normally when you change one of these, you do each wire one at a time. That keeps you straight, but this is a different situation. So what I've done is I go to the harness where it plugs into the voltage regulator, and I push one prong of this into the harness. Now I have the setting set for the little arrow line thing here. I don't know what that's really called. I'm certainly not an electrician, but that right there shows continuity. I'll take it out real quick and just show you. Right now you see how it's got a 1 on it. When I go and I touch the two leads together, see how it changes? No continuity, continuity. So what I'm doing is pretty simple. I'm plugging one of the leads into the harness. And then over here where my alternator wires are, I just go start touching the ends till I see I got continuity. Alright, now I've got continuity on this wire, so I know it's this one. So all I do now is I'll look on a wiring diagram or some kind of schematic, and I look up to see what this terminal plugs into. That I know. After that, I know where to plug it onto this alternator. So really, that's all there is to it. You touch one lead to one end of the wire, the other lead to the other end of the wire. When your one goes away and you got a different reading, hey, you got continuity. Now this can tell you if you got resistance and all in there. I'm not all that sharp on these things, so. Remember, I'm not a trained mechanic. This is just stuff I learned from years of home building and whatnot. Also, just a note, as you can see, I got 2 of these meters. One came from Walmart, one came from Harbor Freight. Honestly, I don't know which one's which. I know this one's got a dead battery in it, so that's the reason I'm not using this one. But either one of them will work. So it doesn't take any kind of fancy, expensive tool to do this. Have a great day, and I'll see you around.